Hi guys, this is Amy Johnson, and what I have for you today is a little walkthrough of my studio. I am pretty lucky and blessed to have the entire basement. It used to be all storage, so it's been a lot of work to get it to where I can use it, but okay, so all the paintings that I have on the walls, these are probably all blooms, and I don't know what to do with them if I'm not going to sell them, because I like to paint over my canvases, but I cannot do that with the blooms because there's actually indentation here where the cell activator was, and once I paint it over with a primer, a white primer, you can really see those indentations, so that is kind of unfortunate. Okay, so let's go back over here. Okay, so I've got a couple areas here. There's my handsome dog. His name is Riley. Isn't he like the sweetest thing ever? Okay, so this is my pouring area. So much to show you, I don't know where to start. I'll start with my pride and joy, which is right here. This is a card catalog that my wonderful boyfriend found at a rummage sale. And so, got all these drawers, tons of where I keep my pigments, and got prism pour here. Oops. So I've got some color shift paints. I think I have like 4 drawers of those. Okay, and then I've got ColourArte. I keep the ColourArte separate by brand because I'm an affiliate. So like here's my blue drawer. These drawers are just perfect. And here's my gold and my browns. Here's my greens. And purple and pinks. Some red and yellows. So yeah, the pigments, they just fit so nicely into this piece of furniture. But I also have paint in here, where this is a Tesla set of pigments, which I actually keep forgetting to use. And then, let's see, I have like 3 drawers of blue. Usually in the first drawer I'll have pigments, and there's some more Arteza in there. I need to use those. And so this drawer is going to be metallic blues and eye candy blue. So these are eye candy. I've put a few little packets. I like ordering the sampler ones because if you don't like it, you're not out anything. Okay, now they're just like blue paint. Yeah, some metallics. And then I have drawers of golden. Love my golden. Let's see, then I got some green, some interference. And so in here I got some piggies. And I have some golden, interference blue. Another one, and interference gold, my golden. Oh, I keep my cell activators out here. Most of it is ColourArte. And there's my pink drawer. There's a lot of pink in there. I actually have some empty drawers too here and there. Alright, and so over here, this is where I keep the good stuff. So I have the Goldens, I keep them out, and the ColourArte Vivid Intense, and then I have some Liquitex, and ColourArte Purely Pigments. These pigments are amazing, they really are. I want all of them. And then over here, I wanted to separate my paints. I wanted to keep the transparent ones separate because sometimes I want the effect of a transparent. So here's like a transparent burnt sienna, quinacridone blue violet, lots of colors there. And then down here, it's mostly glass jars. I like save everything. We have a lot of these containers because we buy hot peppers and we love hot peppers, so I have tons of these. And let's see, here it's a big 5-gallon jug of PPG Multi-Pro. I saved $22 by buying it in that big jug. And over here, Hippie Craft. You'll be seeing a Hippie Craft video pretty soon. And then my color cards and just some like cleaning supplies. There's Riley again. Oh, and here's the cat. Meow, kitty, meow, meow, meow. Okay, and then let's see, I got things over on the shelf. I've got, these are all Montmart. I like Montmart, they're definitely budget friendly. And I feel like they're pigmented and they're quality paints. And there's my cell activators. Some more jars, of course. These pads are what I put on my work table. Let's see, some paper towels and gallons of Floetrol. And then I will strain the Floetrol and then put them in these jugs here. And I actually have thick Floetrol, which I'll show you in a little bit how I do that. And this workbench here, my wonderful boyfriend made this for me with his own 2 hands. So this is where I do all my mixing. And I also watch YouTube when I'm mixing. So I watch a lot of YouTube. So it's actually kind of clean right now because I know I was filming. And so I'll mix over here and then I'll put all the little cups in here and then I'll bring this over to here. This is my station. My phone goes in this little grabby right here. And then I can see what I'm filming on the iPad. Well, I have to kind of do it this way because I can't see what the camera is seeing. And here's my lovely spinner, Jessica Winterstrom. I've had it for years. It's amazing. She's amazing. And so these sheets, there's a flexible curtain rod attached to the ceiling, and then the sheets are down. Right now they actually look kind of clean, but I try to, when I go ahead and spin, I'll try to remember to open these curtains up, and then I'll try to remember to close them again when I'm filming. And this is usually where I have the paint that I am currently using. Okay, let's see. Let's go over here. And so this is where I do, well, let me show you the drying area here first. I have multiple tables set up. Let's see, I have this dresser here. This is the first pour painting I ever did. So that was about 3 years ago. So I'm gonna save that just as a reminder. And this chest of drawers has just different like paints and supplies. This is a tape drawer. This is I have some blue. Oh, these drawers don't work. I got some blue paint in there. And then, oh, this this pole. I call it my video pole. This is where I put paintings where I think I might be making a video of them. And so over to this drying table. How's that one looking? Looks pretty good. This is a pearl painting I did that got totally eaten up. This is Riley. That's the cat. This is a drying rack, but I honestly don't use it that much for drying because the shelves aren't level. And over here is where I have my Floetrol thickening. And I stir it every day. It takes maybe 5 to 7 days to get thicker. It just evaporates. Okay, and then I got some storage here. Some ink and some tape, some washi tape, other tape, little drawers there. Sweet little animals here. Here's another table. And we got these drying. Sorry about the shadow. And I got a pile of garbage in the corner here. And then with this shelf is all my art books and some art paper. I've got a little station here set up where I can draw. And then this is the watercolor area. And so this table is where I flatten the paintings out. I just put them, I wet them, and I put them in between the cardboard and let them sit for about a day. And here are some of my watercolor paintings. And then here are my canvases. And I have some paints down there. And then more watercolor. I don't think I have a lighter. Okay, so more watercolor here. I've got a portable heater because it gets quite chilly down here in the winter. Here's Riley using the doggy bed. And then here, this is for my watercolor. I do have this set up in order to record. I haven't made any watercolor videos yet, and so there's my paint. There's a couple of paintings I'm working on. Lots of brushes. And another TV so I can watch YouTube. My brushes. These are all palettes. And let's see, what am I missing? I thought there was something. Oh, well, okay, I didn't show you. These are more bloom paintings that I just don't know what to do with. And then, oh my god, I hope I'm recording. Yes, I am. Okay. And so, here's more shelves. Up on the top here, I got cleaning supplies, and here too, some solvents, SOS pads, different pouring mediums, different containers of stuff. This is for pearl pour. And then just more paint and stuff. I think that's everything. Say goodbye, Riley. Say goodbye, Riley. Oh, you good boy. Yeah.